Hey, Thomas Garetz here, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make affiliate money on Clickbank completely free. I'm going to show you 3 simple methods. And you don't even have to know what Clickbank is. You don't need to have any tech skills. And if you don't know what Clickbank is, it's an affiliate network. So basically it's a hub for affiliate programs that product creators can put their programs on. So it's all in one place to make it simple for people like you and me to promote them without having to go through these long drawn out approval processes or needing some ridiculously big social media following or a bunch of website traffic just to get approved. Because after you go to Clickbank and you create your free account, you're approved to promote all of their products automatically. And this is one of the only affiliate networks that lets you be automatically approved to all their programs. Okay, so this is huge. A ton of other programs, you have to create an account on their network, and then you still need to be approved individually for each product you want to promote. So it's a huge hassle, and that's why Clickbank is so much better, and it's just way easier, especially for beginners. So anyways, I digress. But if you're brand new to this online stuff and some of what I just said kind of went over your head, that's okay. Let me explain a little bit. So how you actually make money with Clickbank is with something called affiliate marketing. So basically all that means is you get a special link, an affiliate link, and you can use that to promote these products. So basically you're referring people to these products that are already interested in it. So for example, if someone's like looking to learn how to make money online or lose weight, for example, you link them to a product that teaches them how to make money online or lose weight. So they're already looking for this to begin with. And I'm going to show you 3 methods that are going to teach you how you can actually get in front of these people and get your affiliate link in front of them so they can click on it. And then once they click on your affiliate link and purchase, you get a commission. Okay, so you get a percentage of the sale. And that's how you actually make money with your affiliate link. And that's why affiliate marketing is so powerful. Okay, so that's what I teach on this channel. That's what I'm all about. There's tons of videos that teaches you everything you need to know about it. But I really hope that made sense. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm happy to help. But now, on the affiliate marketplace on Clickbank, you can see they just have tons of products, tons of categories. They have all types of different software, products, courses, everything, right? And it can be a little overwhelming to actually find a good product to promote. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you the best programs, how to actually find those programs, and the best way to promote those programs completely free without running the risk to lose money trying to run paid ads or having to learn how to run paid ads. That way you don't have that risk, right? I mean, I know I've lost a ton of money trying to learn paid ads. I mean, give me a like if you've been there, because I know I have. And like I said, going on Clickbank and trying to find a good program or product to promote, it can be a little overwhelming, right? That's why I don't actually use the Clickbank website to find products on Clickbank. Let me explain. So what I have here is a website called CB Engine. It's just cbengine.com. Obviously the CB stands for Clickbank, and this ranks all their stuff in different categories, and it makes it super simple for us to find what's actually selling and what's popular on Clickbank right now. So what I would go to is I would go to the left right here. I'd go to CB Top Gravity, okay? And basically what gravity is it's a mix between what's actually selling currently and what's the most popular, okay? So those are like the 2 most important metrics you could sort by. So you can see right here, I mean, 423 gravity for Cinderella Solution. You can see these are obviously selling like insane, like selling like hotcakes for real. So, and you could definitely go in here and just do the top one. Obviously it's selling, but that also means you have a lot of competition, right? And that's not always bad. I'm just saying maybe you'd be better off not going for the very top one, and that's totally up to you. But for this example, I know one of the best products, and it has been for a long time on Clickbank, is Ted's Woodworking. Okay, so you click here and then you can see like the gravity, the commissions, all that stuff, right? So you can just click right here to visit the website. So you can tell why it converts so high. It's super simple, just a simple VSL and then the add to cart button. Okay, and then they got the like prices that it's cut down, special launch price. So this product converts, okay? It sells. But what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna scroll down all the way and then click on affiliates, okay? So right here is where they're gonna give you a ton of information, okay? So promote the highest converting woodworking product on the internet, earn up to $125 per sale with 11% conversions. That's insane. Okay, then it just shows you some other things. It gives you tons of information, and it shows you like their funnel, the upsells, etc. You can have your affiliate link, which I'll show you in a second. They have other pages you can send them to, or they'll usually have something where you can sign up to get their affiliate resources. Okay, so you can see right here, I've already signed up, take me to the resource page. So I have that opened up right here. So you can see right here, they have banners, PPC keywords, demographics for if you're running ads, all their graphics right here. They do so much of the work for you because you promoting them with affiliate marketing, which means you're doing some of the marketing for them. So they're happy to pay you and help you do so. So anyways, this is super powerful stuff. And like I said, you can just sign up to get all this information. They'll have emails, they'll have videos, articles, like tips, everything, right? So you can do it that way, or if you want, you can go over to Clickbank and then just type in Ted's Woodworking. Okay, and then right here, all you do is you click promote, okay? And then you could add a tracking ID, but you don't need to do that. You just hit generate hop links, okay? Now, you can see right here how ugly this link is, right? So what you want to do is you want to go to a website like bit.ly or tinyurl. So all you would do is click this little copy thing. You would paste it right here and then hit shorten. So you can see right here, this link is way better looking. And also, if you have an account, which I do, but I have to log in, you can actually change the end of this to like Thomas's Woodworking or, you know, whatever, something like that where it's not a bunch of random letters and numbers. But even this looks so much better than this, right? But anyways, that's just a quick little tip. Now, once you've actually found a product to promote, the thing that most people get hung up on is how to actually promote the product, because most people just get their affiliate link, they go to their Facebook profile and start spamming their link and no one buys. Right? No one even likes it. And then they go to Facebook groups and start spamming their links. And then they get banned from the Facebook group if it's anywhat of a good group. And shortly after that, they give up, they quit, and they call affiliate marketing or internet marketing a scam. And that's just not what it is, okay? But you have to do it the right way. So now I'm going to show you the 3 methods that you can do this the right way, completely free. And I'm going to be going from third best to first best. So make sure you watch till the end and make sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And now the first method is going to be by using something called Quora. So Quora was actually founded by a co-founder of Facebook. And what it is it's basically a questions and answers website, okay? So it's basically like Yahoo Answers, if you remember what that is, but like the newer and improved version, right? So no hating on Yahoo Answers, this is just newer and I think it's better, personally, okay? And again, just like the other methods I'll be showing you, this is 100% free, okay? It just requires you to take some time and to make sure you're doing this the proper way, not scammy or spammy, and I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to do that. So let's get into it. So how it works is we could just go right here to search Quora, and if we're going to be using the woodworking thing, so how to make woodworking, how do you make a successful woodworking business? So first of all, before I go into this, you can see right here, once I ask that question, there's related questions, right? So anyways, you can see right here, the answers they're making are super helpful, super valuable, and super thought out. It's not just like a 2-sentence answer. You can see this thing is like long, okay? And most of the time, people are gonna link to an affiliate program or some type of company, okay? So you can see right here, this person put a ton of things right here, okay? So you can see right here, feel free to get more info and start a free trial here. So monday.com. You can see disclaimer, I work at monday.com. So obviously they get some type of money for that. Super simple, right? So look at how many views that got. Sure, it probably took them 30 minutes or so to put this together, but how you could do this is you just want to emulate success. Do what these successful people are doing with their answers and copy it. Okay, don't copy it like word for word, but model it, okay, because this stuff works. But yeah, so if you're doing what these top answers are doing and you're at the bottom linking to your affiliate link, or on this you can actually like highlight things and then put the link in there, but however you want to do it, link to your affiliate link at the bottom after you give value and you actually answer their question, you will make money by doing this. But again, just don't try to reinvent the wheel. Okay, I'm telling you, if you just model success, you will get similar results. Even Tony Robbins says to model what successful people people are doing if you want to be successful. I'm not just some random YouTuber pulling it out of thin air telling you it's the best way to do it. It just truly is, okay? But anyways, that's the first method. Now the second method is by using Pinterest. So I actually use Pinterest myself, not as much anymore, but you can actually make a ton of money doing Pinterest. Again, if I was gonna pick one of these, I would only pick one to start out. You don't wanna be spreading yourself too thin. You just wanna focus on one thing at a time. But if you don't know what Pinterest is, it's like a DIY or like crafts type things like that. It's actually a lot of high income people that use Pinterest. Like it was like 60% or 70% make over 60,000 a year, but there's a lot of people crushing it on Pinterest, okay? And this would work great for the TED's work. And this would work great for the TED's work. And this would work great for that TED's work. And this would work great for that TED's woodworking program, but like I use it to promote make money online products, okay? You can see right here, get 4.5K monthly views. And how it works is you create these little graphics, and there's a few different ways to do it. The two best ways, you can have a blog and then write a blog post, and inside the blog post have your affiliate links in there, and then link the graphics to your blog post. That's how a decent amount of people do it. But also what you can do, it wasn't always like this. Pinterest just changed this like a year or so ago. You can actually directly link your graphics to an affiliate product. I could put a picture here of some whatever and then link it to a product on Amazon Associates. That's Amazon's affiliate program. Or you could do the same for Clickbank. Super simple. And honestly, it works pretty well. So it's also a search engine. So that's why I'm telling you how to do things like Quora and Pinterest, because once you're ranking on these keywords, like for example, let's type in woodworking. Okay, so let's just see the type of stuff people are posting. You can see right here, tons of stuff, right? And if you click here, it's either going to go to a blog or to a website. And this one goes to a website. I mean, look at this stuff. So they're making bank, right? And it's super simple to do. You can even hire out people to like make these graphics on like Fiverr or whatever. But if you want to do that, link in the description for Fiverr. But super simple, and I think Pinterest is great. And if you want to learn more about Pinterest, I actually did a whole video on this. It's actually pretty in-depth, like really in-depth actually. But I'll link it up above and down below if you want to check that out. It's called like how to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest or something like that. But yeah, great video. Check that out. But the third method, I don't know how my finger works, but the third method, I don't know why I struggle making threes so much. Maybe this is 2.5, but the third method is the platform you're watching right now, okay? And that is YouTube. So there's plenty of ways to do this, but for example, YouTube again is a search engine, okay? So you rank for certain things if you make a good quality video. So we could type in a question like how to do X with woodworking, but I'm just gonna type in woodworking, for example, just to show you kind of what comes up. And you can see right here, Steve Ramsey, woodworking for mere mortals. So he has 1.24 million subscribers. So obviously there's people searching for this stuff. And you can see right here, Freeze List, 1.86 million subscribers. So he has 1.4 million views on this. Okay, I just want to show you something on a calculator quick. Okay, so let's bring up the calculator. So let's say that he only had a 1% conversion rate on this video. So that means 1% bot. Okay, so 1.4 million views, right? So 1400000 times 0.01. Okay, so that means 14,000 people bought. So now let's go back to CB Engine. You could see the average sale is 56.31. Okay, are you ready for this? So we're gonna times this by 56.31. He made 788,000 off this YouTube video. And that's at the lower end of the scale. They're saying that this had 11% conversion rate. Remember seeing that? 11%. I don't even want to do the math for that. That's going to be 10 times higher than that. That's a ton of money. Okay, and I'm not saying that you're guaranteed to make that money or you're even going to. But if you make the video right, you talk about the product and you do it in an entertaining and helpful way, and then link to the affiliate link down in the description below, it will work. You will make money. So for example, in my videos, when I'm like, the #1 recommendation I have to make money online is the training I went through that changed everything for me. I couldn't make any money online until I started this program, and it changed everything. My mindset, just everything. And then I started getting on leaderboards and I started crushing it online. So if you want to learn about that program, that's my first link in the description. Okay? And that's exactly what you want to be doing. Okay? If you do that in each video you make, you will make money with YouTube. And there's different types of videos you can make on YouTube. Like, for example, if you make a review video of a certain program or product, those people are ready to buy. They're typing in a review of a product they're already interested in. So if your video pops up because you start ranking for it, because it's valuable and educational and helpful, then people are ready to buy and they'll gladly purchase through your affiliate link. Okay, so this stuff works. But obviously a review video is probably going to be more buyers going to it than like a how-to video. But how-to and DIY videos are just helpful and they provide value, and you can still link to products in it. It's just not as many buyers going to that video. But trust me, it builds rapport and it just helps, okay? You can't just always do a product review video. You can, but in my opinion, you got to provide value too. But you got to be ethical about it, okay? Don't just steal other people's videos and upload them as your own. Like, that's wrong, okay? You got to make your own videos. Again, you can model success, but just do it ethically, okay? For real. Now remember, if you're gonna make a YouTube video, you gotta choose a niche or a program that you're at least a little interested in, or you have some type of knowledge in, right? Like me, I couldn't go make a woodworking YouTube channel and start building stuff out of wood. Like, it would be a joke, right? Like, you gotta at least, know what you're doing a little bit. Otherwise, people are gonna be like, this guy's a fake, right? Like, he's a scam. He's not about that. And there are some things where you could know a little less or just learn about, right? Like, I didn't know what I know about marketing, affiliate marketing, and online business like I did 2 years ago. You know what I mean? Like, I knew nothing. I didn't even know how to make a website, nothing. So you can learn, but again, I would just choose something that you're at least somewhat interested in, okay? Because if you plan on doing this for real, you don't want to get bored or just do it because you want to make money, right? You want to have an interest for it. Trust me, okay? But anyways, let's go over the 3 methods one more time, okay? So number 3, that was Quora, where you answer questions and then post your affiliate link down below, like at the bottom of the answer. Okay, so number 2 was Pinterest, okay? And on Pinterest, what you do is you create the graphics and then you link to your blog or straight to the affiliate program from the graphics, okay? And then third, again, is what you're watching right now, and that's YouTube. So that's where you create helpful and how-to videos or review videos and then link to your affiliate link in the description. So that leads me on to the question of the day. And the question of the day is, which of those 3 methods are you gonna try doing? Or which one are you doing already, right? So let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you got some value out of this video, could you do me a favor and hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't already? And make sure to hit my face right below to subscribe to my channel. And lastly, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, online business, you can watch these 2 videos right here, whichever side it is. I always forget. But remember to check out that training, first link in the description. And that's all I got. See you on the next video.